An emergency alert in Latvia. A Russian drone entered Latvian airspace and crashed in a civilian area. The dangerous incident took place in the eastern part of Latvia. Flying from Belarus, the drone crashed near the town of Rozekne, a place with a large Polish minority. I was in Rozekne about 2 weeks ago, where we brought books to a Polish school for Polish children, because there are Polish schools there and it's not a military facility, so I would say this is a deliberate move by the Russians. The Shahed drone used in the attacks on Ukraine could not have been in Latvia by chance. What happened is a very serious matter and we take it very seriously. A Russian drone has crashed on our territory. This reminds us that the war is also coming closer to our borders. Russia is not only trying to create chaos in the Baltics and the eastern flank states more broadly, it is also testing the reactions of individual countries, and they vary. Latvians using a Black Hawk found the remains of a drone and immediately informed their compatriots and allies. An investigation is underway. We are in close contact with our allies. The number of such incidents on NATO's eastern flank is increasing, and we have to face them together. The Romanians brought out 2 of their F-16 multi-role fighters and ordered residents of the Tulsa region to exercise extreme caution after it was determined that a Russian drone may have crashed there. NATO is concerned. While we have no information to suggest that this is a deliberate attack by Russia against allies, these actions are irresponsible and potentially dangerous. And in Poland, there is a frightening helplessness on the part of the Prime Minister and the state services. At the moment, almost 400 soldiers 24 hours a day are looking for some traces of this drone or 2 drones, as some believe, but there is still not even 100% certainty that anything entered Polish airspace. We do not know whose it was, if it was at all. On the 26th of August, a drone or 2 drones, what exactly, the army did not know. In any case, some object from the Ukrainian side. It was seen for 33 minutes, then it disappeared. The services searched but did not find it. After 10 days of searching, the operational commander of the armed forces, General Maciej Klisz, declared that the airspace of our country had not been violated, although he had previously reported that an unidentified aerial object had violated the airspace of Poland. The army, as well as other areas of Polish public life, today is dominated by thinking in terms of revanchism, looking for the sins of the previous team, punishing the previous commanders, administrators of the armed forces and also the Ministry of Defence. There is no time for serious work, as can be seen not only from this situation, but also from many other incidents. And this is a very disturbing signal that Donald Tusk's government is sending to a hostile Russia. Unfortunately, the actions of Polish authorities in connection with the recent violation of Polish airspace were a mistake, and we also have to deal with such events from which Russia draws conclusions. Unfortunately, we have shown weakness in recognizing what is happening in the Polish skies. The safety of Poles should be a priority and not the subject of the government's political games. Marcin Szewczak, TV Republika.